Hi my darlings, so I just thought to do a quick recap before we get into this video. So this was from my last birthday vlog, and remember I promised you guys a part 2, so yeah, here it is. And if you haven't seen the part 1, just stop this video and go and check it out. So yeah, I'll link it somewhere here so you can check it out and then come back. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Mwah. Hi guys, so today is like 3 days after my birthday. It's my birthday weekend. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I have no idea where we're going. I just know that it's gonna be a 2-hour drive. Yes, it's that far. That's all I know. Stay tuned. Pick up the call. Okay. Girl, we can never go wrong. Beautiful view, and that's the falls right there. We are on the streets of Niagara. It's so beautiful, like, you know. Guys, I have been wanting to come to Niagara since I moved to Canada, and I've been here for 2 years. So for the past 2 years I've been wanting to come, and then I'm finally here. Oh my god, I'm so happy. There's literally everything on this street, from Osmos to Baskin Robbins. I love it. To Starbucks. This is so beautiful, guys. Like, what? I want to go on all of them. Okay, let's start here. Wow, this is so cool. Wow, they have everything here, literally. I'm having so much fun already.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. You deaf look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we.
Ooh, I'm scared. Oh my god. What? Oh my god, but this is a good idea. I'm scared.
The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun.
Daniel cake, yes. It's so good. Especially the strawberry one. Time to get some food. Hi guys, so it's day 2 in Niagara Falls and I am so excited. The sun is sunning and yeah, I'm ready to see the falls up close. So I already showed you guys our view, so we can see the falls from here and it looks so beautiful. So I'm going to see it up close today and I'm so excited. I decided to do light makeup because we're still going to have dinner somewhere nice. I don't know where, but we're having dinner somewhere nice later today and I'm excited for that. But today is just like walking around, seeing the falls and then seeing the other attractions they have here because they have quite a lot. Like we can't finish everything this weekend, so keep watching. Thank you. On the streets of Niagara. So this is what we're starting with today. Yay. Literally have the falls behind me. I'm so happy we did this.
A few moments later.
Ah. Yeah. Okay, so we're getting tired. We've gone around this thing 3 times. This is the 4th time. It's the 4th time. So yeah, we're gonna be going on a boat as well, like in the falls, inside the falls.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion.
So this is where we get our ponchos, right? Thank you.
Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you.
It's not going to be that bad, right? Oh my god. I did not expect that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi guys, so we are back from the falls. It was so nice. It's still day 2 by the way. I just changed my outfit because everything was wet. Like I was soaking wet. They gave us ponchos and everything, but I don't know, my poncho did not work. and yeah, so I had to change and we're about to head out. So yeah, I just threw on a simple dress I got recently from Shein and did light makeup because like we're not doing anything major. We're just going to walk around and we might go to Ripley's. There's a Ripley's here, so we might go there. And yeah, let me show you guys my full outfit. It has like a cutout with like this tie back and then a slit. How they make my darling funnel cake. Oh, these aren't real. Imagine. Okay. Alright. Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Next door, Houston.
Oh, my fave. So yeah, we are leaving today. We just want to get breakfast and then we'll be on our way. Oh, I'm trying Applebee's. So I literally walked down a hill just to get this ice cream because it has candy floss. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I think this is there's no one here. No, closed. What? Hey god, it's a lie. I can't deal. Thank you. Ah, this looks so good. Yes.
Me, I know.